Hi, I'm Roxanne Martin.
And I'm Emma Dowse.
I'm Michaela Bednars.
I'm Kyle Rudman.
And we are investigating whether the color of a sugar cookie affects perception of taste. We'll explain as we go, but for now, let's make some cookies. To run this test, we are going to make 2 batches of identical sugar cookies, with one key difference. One batch will be pink, and the other batch will be dark green. The idea is that the pink is a pretty cookie color and won't be off-putting or gross to the subject, while the weirder green will appear disgusting. Each of our subjects will randomly be assigned one of the cookie colors and asked to rate it on appearance and taste.
To eliminate any confounding variables, we want to ensure that our cookies are as identical in taste as possible. Therefore, we are going to make one giant batch of cookies and only split it when it's time to add the colors. Our goal is to have 60 total subjects. 30 will eat and rate the pink cookies and 30 will eat and rate the green cookies. We are aiming for a bit more than 60s in case we mess up, but mostly so we can eat the extras. Once our cookies are done and cooling, it's time for us to get our subjects. We will be using a convenience sample, and since our experiment gives us control over random assignment, we will use that in order to satisfy the random condition.
Here's how we're doing that random assignment. Using a random number generator, we generated 30 unique numbers between 1 and 60, and then created a spreadsheet and assigned each of those numbers as red, and the remaining numbers were assigned green. As we selected each participant, we labeled them 1 through 60 chronologically, and then referred to our previously made spreadsheet and checked which color cookie their label corresponded with, either being red or green, and gave them that cookie to eat and rate. As for the rating, we set up anonymous surveys using SurveyMonkey. The survey asked the subject to rate the cookie's appearance and taste on a scale of 1 through 5. We drew our convenience sample from our family and friends following the procedure we just explained for the random assignment. We also made sure that they were not aware of a second cookie color so that they did not realize what it was that we were testing.
So now moving on to our significance test for these, for our data. Our first one, we're going to be testing the cookie appearance. Our null is that there is no difference between the mean ratings, and our alternative is that there is a difference between the mean appearance ratings. We used a 2-sample t-test for a difference in means, found our p-value to be approximately 0. Therefore, we have significant evidence to include the alternative that there is a difference in the mean beauty ratings of the pink and green sugar cookies. And moving on, we also did a significance test for the cookie taste. It's pretty similar. We also found that there is significant evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the mean taste ratings of the pink and green sugar cookies. So just to reiterate, from both significance tests, we proved to have significant evidence for the alternative hypothesis. According to our sample data, we have significant evidence to conclude that the color of a sugar cookie does in fact have an effect on how beautiful it is perceived as and how delicious the consumer thinks it tastes.
Thank you for watching!